Bird feeder enthusiasts, people who want to have a intelligent bird feeder, not just a plastic thingy hanging from a stick that falls in a rainstorm. And you actually want to see footage of the birds. I have a treat for you today. We have the VINGUYS Smart Bird Feeder. Now, how is it a smart bird feeder? Well, it has everything that your typical bird feeder doesn't. We're going to go over the features here and check out the unboxing. So we got a HD camera here, captures bird pictures, video. We even have bird identification with over 1,000 bird species, or 11,000 bird species. There's that many bird species? Then we have, it is waterproof. So when the rain comes, it's not going to smash it up like your typical bird feeder. We got the solar charger right here, so you don't have to charge it by, using a lot of energy consumption. It's actually energy friendly. Real-time notification, and it even has color night vision, so you want to see those birds at night, you can. Boom. What kind of species can you see? Well, we have a bunch here, just to name a few. Northern cardinal, eastern bluebird, finch, European robin, we have Baltimore orbital, red-bellied woodpecker, painted bunting, and I'm a bird guy and I don't know some of these, so you're going to learn a lot. You will learn a lot. So first, we gotta unbox this. So there's back right here, 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 styrofoam. That's the first part of it. You can see this is well made. We got the second part and the instruction manual. As well as another piece. And we actually have the main component right here. We can see the actual camera. Has a USB-C. It's not a unboxing unless we have a USB-C component, right? Got our styrofoam, obviously. Not part of the thing, just some fun. And we got the solar panel itself, so we can charge. So this is all pretty simple. And then we just want to go ahead and set it up. So we got the twist tie here for the solar panel, but really it's just about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. You can see all of it here. Solar panel, the actual component, the roof, and the rest of it. The rest of the pieces here. Plus, we got a Smart Bird Feeder user manual. A bunch of stuff to install it with, and some couple extra pieces. So that's it. We're gonna go ahead, put this together. I really like this because it's simple, it's easy, it's compact. That's what I want, and it's not hard to put together. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's make this a full bird feeder, and then let's compare it to other bird feeders, check out some of the footage. Alright guys, so let's break down the installation. All I did was put this on top of here. It just snaps in. This just snaps in. Then we have the tray. Then back here, I just screw in the antenna. And then we have this right here for the solar panel. We just attach that for the solar panel. And voila, we're good. Now, all you need to do is open up the instruction manual, and we go to download and register an account. So we just get a QR scanner and we're good to go. Then we can actually see the footage in real time. So here we can see the app. You can see what it's doing. We have the photo album here if I take anything. The online services, I have the live chat, and I also have my profile here, my account. I can also share management, any questions I want to ask, tools, contact us. So that's all there. Now the actual camera itself, I can see here. I can see the settings, the basic settings for storage management, device, all that type of stuff. You do have to click into this, and then we can actually see the camera itself. So I can do a recording here. I can also do capture. There's even voice intercom if I want to use that. Yes, I can have my actual voice use the intercom. I can hear if there's audio. I can do all that stuff. And then I have cloud service, or you can use an SD card. So there's two ways to store. There's also the light alert, the intelligent light, and the intelligent alert. I can move this around here. I'm moving it. See my hand in front of it. And that's how this works. This is pretty cool. I really like this. And you can see I'm moving this right now. And I have a pretty good view. And then I can do a cloud playback if I want. I don't have an SD card, but I can also add that one in as well. And that's how cool this is.